Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 250250th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're looking at this brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color being Agate black, and under the hood being a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. On to the side, being 18-inch aluminum wheels, wrapped in Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2023 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings of the door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments looking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, the automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with a cruise control option to the left and our median hatch option to the right. Just above me, a rearview mirror on our cabin lighting. Looking at our center face, the options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, as well as features, which is below being our climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating to our cabin. Alongside that, you have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.